The American poet Edwin Curran said, "Flowers are the music of the ground, from earth lips spoken without sound." In this video, we are going to learn flower names in Chinese. Before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I make new videos every week. I'd love to see you back. I release a new video every Friday at 4. So we're going to learn about flowers today. First, you ought to know how to say flower in Chinese. Flower, that is hua, 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 hua. The first one on my list is bluebells. Bluebell. Lan ling. Blue means lan and bell means ling. So lan ling, lan ling. The second one is carnation. Kang nai xin. Kang nai xin. Kang nai xin. Chrysanthemum. 菊花. 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 Crocuses. Crocuses. 番红花. 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 Dahlia. 大丽花. 大丽花. 大丽花 Daisies 雏菊花 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 Daffodils 水仙花 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 One of my favorites Dandelions 蒲公英 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 Another one of my favorites Forsythia 连翘 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 Forget me not勿忘我花，勿忘我花，勿忘我花 Gardenia 枝花，枝花，枝花 Hyacinth 风信子，风信子，风信子 Hydrangea 绣球花，绣球花，绣球花 Lavender 薰衣草，薰衣草，薰衣草 Lilacs 紫丁香，紫丁香，紫丁香，紫丁香 Lilies 百合花，百合花，百合花 Magnolia 木兰，木兰 Orchid 兰花，兰花，兰花 Peonies 牡丹，牡丹，牡丹 Petunia Petunia 矮牵牛花，矮牵牛花，矮牵牛花 Poppies罂粟花 So poppies is 罂粟花 罂粟花 Roses 玫瑰花 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 Sunflowers 向日葵 向日葵 Tulips 郁金香 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 Violets 紫罗兰 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 The botanist Luther Burbank said, "Flowers always make people better, happier, and more helpful. They are sunshine, food, and medicine for the soul." These are all the flowers that I could think of. Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite type of flower. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. 下次见。